In this video, I will show you that how you can transfer crypto coin from MetaMask wallet to Binance application in very simple steps. I will also show you that which network you have to select in very simple steps. I will do live transfer in this video from my MetaMask to Binance account. So first, let's come on the MetaMask wallet. So here you can see we have 4.78 USDT in our MetaMask wallet. So in the previous video, we have transferred some USDT from Binance application to MetaMask wallet. And in this video, we will transfer these USDT from MetaMask wallet to Binance application in very simple steps. So to transfer crypto, first select the crypto which you would want to transfer from here. So currently I have only USDT. So I will select this and here you have to click on the send. So we are transferring from our main account to the address which you have to enter here. So we need USDT address here in the Binance Smart Chain network which we will get from the Binance application. Now to get this address, come on the Binance application. So here you can see we have opened Binance application on my cell phone. Now here you have to click on the wallet. After coming on the wallet, you have to click on the deposit because currently we are depositing some USDT from MetaMask. So click on deposit, select the coin which you want to deposit. I want to deposit USDT. So after clicking on the USDT, you have to choose the network. There are multiple networks are available. So we have USDT in BNB Smart Chain network. So click on BNB Smart Chain. The network should be same on the both sides. Otherwise, you may lose your funds. So I will click BNB Smart Chain. Here is our address. Copy this address, paste this address here. Now it says you have 0 BNB in your account to pay the transaction fee. Buy some more BNB or deposit from another account. Now here you can see the error because we have some USDT in our BNB Smart Chain network. So we have to pay the fee in the BNB. So in every network, the crypto coin which you are transferring, you have to pay the network fee. Currently we have USDT in BNB Smart Chain. So we have to pay the fee in the BNB. If you have USDT in Ethereum network, so you have to pay the fee in Ethereum. So here we need some BNB which we will transfer from Binance application first. So cancel this, cancel. So to deposit BNB, click on BNB, click on the C button. So this is BNB Smart Chain network BNB address. Copy this address and come on the Binance application. So here first we will buy some BNB. Come on the BNB, buy. So I will buy for the 10 USDT, buy BNB. Now we will transfer these BNB to our MetaMask wallet. To transfer BNB on the MetaMask wallet, come on wallet, click on withdraw, search BNB because we want to withdraw our BNB. And here you have to select the send via crypto network. Now add BNB Smart Chain address here which we have copied from the MetaMask wallet. Select BNB Smart Chain network. The network should be same on the both sides. Otherwise you may lose your funds. So minimum you can transfer 0.0012 BNB. I will transfer all the BNB which are available. And the network fee is 0.0006 which is a minor fee. Click on withdraw. Confirm all these fields. Confirm order. Click on confirm. Security verification. Alright. So withdrawal is processing. It will take a couple of minutes. After this, we will transfer our USDT from MetaMask wallet to Binance application. Because we have to pay network fee in the BNB. Click on view history. So it is processing. So our BNB has been transferred from Binance application to MetaMask. So let's come on the MetaMask application. Alright. So here you can see now we have some USDT in BNB and Tether USDT. Now let's transfer USDT from MetaMask to Binance application, and also we have BNB to pay the fee. Select Tether USDT, click on send. Now here again you have to add the network address. Come on the Binance application, cancel this. Now click on deposit because we are depositing USDT from MetaMask wallet. Click on BNB Smart Chain because we have USDT in the BNB network. Copy this and paste this address here. Alright. Now here you can see there is no error. Click on next. Now how much USDT you want to transfer from here? I want to transfer all available USDT. So I will press use max. Click on next. So this is confirm order received that you are transferring USDT from this account to this address. The amount is 4.78 USDT and you have to pay the 0.000104 BNB fee. So verifying everything, click on send. Transaction submitted. Here is your transaction. Open this. And it says confirm. Sometimes it will take a couple of minutes to confirm your transaction. Now let's come on the Binance application and verify that we have these USDT or not. So I will open Binance application, cancel this, cancel, refresh this, search USDT here. So here you can see currently it says 4.78 USDT is confirming. It will take couple of minutes to confirm this transaction. Open this, refresh this. It will take couple of minutes to confirm this transaction. We have received the notification that deposit is successful. Cancel this, refresh this page. Alright. So here you can see we have received 4.7 USDT from MetaMask wallet in couple of minutes. So I hope you understand that how you can transfer USDT or any crypto coin from MetaMask wallet to Binance application. Still, if you face any problem, you can comment down below. I will try to solve all your queries. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.